While the blue-footed booby may be the best known member of this family of birds, there are 6 species classified as boobies, including this red-footed booby. The coloration of the red-footed booby is a little confusing because other than its red feet, some morphs are more white, some morphs are brown, the degree of black on the tail can vary, and so there are differing color morphs which make its identification a little bit more confusing. Red-footed boobies are found throughout tropical waters and can be found in the Atlantic, the Pacific, and Indian Oceans. In the Galapagos Islands, they nest, but only on those islands which faced eastward. This gives them more open ocean where they can hunt. They only come on land to nest, and they can travel up to 100 miles when they are seeking fish. So they are not found all throughout the Galapagos Islands, only on some of the easternmost ones, such as San Cristobal, where these images have been taken. Their nesting is also determined by the presence of the Galapagos hawk. They will only nest on islands where the Galapagos hawk is not present. And unlike the other boobies which nest on the ground, they nest in trees, in part because of their prehensile feet. Just as in blue-footed boobies, the coloration of their feet is an honest indicator of health, since the red pigment is derived from the carotenoid pigments in the fish that they eat, who in turn obtained it from algae. Birds which possess brightly colored red feet are better nourished and healthier than those which do not, and so therefore birds can measure a partner's reproductive fitness by the coloration of their feet, and their courtship then allows the display of this feat for their partner's notice. Like other boobies, they can dive to great depths in order to capture fish. Red-footed boobies can dive up to 90 feet underwater, and they swallow their fish before they fly away rather than carrying it in their beaks, as do many aquatic birds. This species is a little more likely to include things other than fish in its diet, such as squid, and can fly after flying fish along the surface of the water to capture those, in addition to diving for fish. The numbers of this species and others have been declining, and this is thought to be in large part to declining food sources such as sardines. In the following video, you can hear 2 birds noisily defending a territory.
Look back!